Hi everybody, welcome. We're here to talk about a very important issue in relation to the referendum, and that's whether parents will be able to sue on behalf of their unborn child if the Eighth Amendment is repealed.
So a lot of people in this referendum have been paying attention to the issue of abortion itself and whether or not an unborn child's life can be taken. But they're not thinking of the issue of where an unborn child's life is accidentally lost, or lost through negligence, or lost maybe through a car accident or an incident that really affects or takes away the life of an unborn child that's not intentional. And in that case, the child loses all rights as well, just as they do in the event of an abortion. So, I mean, we've had cases in this state, for example, where parents have successfully sued on behalf of an unborn child whose life has been lost as a result of a medical misadventure or a doctor doing something wrong, or during a car accident, like I said. And the problem is that when you take away that unborn child's right to life, it's like they never existed in the first place. And it will mean that, you know, doctors will be free from all fears of medical negligence as a result that will result in taking or losing the life of an unborn child. I think that's a very serious issue that people haven't thought about at all, Niamh.
I think so, and Ben Ó Floinn, who's a barrister, has written about this, and he's pointing out that the Eighth Amendment was used by parents who were suing on behalf of their stillborn child to hold careless third parties to account. And he points out that in one such case in 2007, the HSE actually argued that the child was not a person, and that the parents relied on the Eighth Amendment in order to defend their case, in order to ensure that they got compensation and justice for the fact that their child was stillborn as a result of medical negligence. I think it's a hugely important issue. I think it's one that probably a lot of people have not given consideration to date. But really, the message that needs to come from this is that every preborn child will have rights taken away from them if the Eighth Amendment is repealed, and parents will lose their right to sue on behalf of unborn children.
As we speak today, Niamh, there are women out there who are pregnant and they're watching this broadcast, and they have, you know, they can feel their baby kicking, and right now at this point in time that baby is protected under the law and it has the same rights to a life as you or me. And the problem is, when you take that amendment away on Saturday morning, sometime around 11, 12, 1 o'clock, that baby's rights will just disappear. They won't exist anymore. I think people need to think really carefully about that before they vote, because it has impacts way beyond just abortion.
Yeah, I think it has impacts way beyond somebody else's child. This will affect your child, your grandchild. People need to remember that next Friday and vote no.
What she said.
Share this to make it known.